Jin and Tim step into the cooking class and shout, "Wow!" A colorful sign says, "Fluffy Pancakes today." They dash to their stations in excitement. Chef Poppy says, "Today, we're making easy pancakes with just a few ingredients." Jin mixes carefully. Tim cracks the egg. Oops, a little too hard. Everyone laughs. With the pans heating up, Chef Poppy reminds, "Don't press the pancake, wait for the bubbles." Tim flips his perfectly. Jin claps for him proudly. The toppings table is a dream come true. Jin adds strawberries and cream, while Tim builds a banana pancake tower. They laugh and share bites. Time for the pancake contest. But Chef Poppy announces, every pancake is a winner. Everyone cheers, and Jin and Tim high-five. Cooking is like magic, Tim says, and pancakes are the spell of happiness. Jin adds. Chef Poppy smiles proudly. Did you know pancakes have existed for over 30,000 years? The Greeks and Romans enjoyed them with honey. In America, fluffy pancakes rose with baking powder. Now, they're loved worldwide. Thanks for joining Jin and Tim on this delicious pancake adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come cook with us again next time. Bye bye.